Welcome to the explanation of experiment number 7, realization of basic gates using universal gate. This is the initial setup. As you can see, this is what it looks like on the device, and using these we find out NOT gate as well as OR gate. So let's first look at NOT gate, and before that we'll look at the initial setup. So initial setup, 7 is connected to ground. Here 7 is connected to ground. Any one of these lower points are can be considered as ground. And then we have 14, which goes to the high point. We have 14. This is high point, and this is 14. Make note that the numbers in the marker are wrong, and the numbers in the pencil have to be followed. NOT circuit. 1 and 2 need to be connected, as shown here. 1 and 2 need to be connected, and 3 goes to output. 3 goes to output. From here you connect it to the multimeter, and from here again you connect it to the multimeter. Here you have 1 and 2 connected to input. So NOT gate, basically what it does is, if there's no input, NOT gate works and it shows an output. If there is an input, it doesn't. That's NOT gate. We are going to proceed with OR gate this time. The only change in the basic circuit was that now from 3 the wire goes to number 9. Okay, except that the changes will be as follows. 1 and 2 need to be connected, 4 and 5 need to be connected. They are in turn connected to 3 and 6, which is in turn connected to 9 and 10, from there to 8. The same thing will be displayed here. 1 and 2 connected, 4 and 5 connected, and 1 is connected to one of the inputs, and 4 is connected to another. As mentioned before, 3 is connected to 9, and 6 is connected to 10, and here we have 7 that is connected to ground, basically low point, and then one of the low points go to the multimeter. Here we have 8. 8 is connected to the logic monitors, which is in turn connected to the multimeter. The experiment is now, if either one of this A or B are on, then you get a signal in the multimeter. Now on to the final part of this experiment. We have AND gate. This is a circuit diagram. Everything else stays similar. The only change is 1 connects to input, 2 connects to input, another input. A and B are the 2 inputs, and then this connection is internal between 1, 2 and 3. Then 3 needs to be connected to a connection between 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are connected, 3 is connected to that. From there we're connected to 6, and 6 to output, which is C. We see 1 is connected to one input, 2 is connected to another input. This is A, this is B. 3 is connected to a connection between 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are connected. 6 goes all the way to the logic gate, one of the logic monitors, and then 7 goes all the way to ground. And from ground, another connection to multimeter, and from logic gate, another connection to multimeter as before. Same with 40 to high as well. AND gate, if both of them are on, it will give a reading. Any other combination, that is 1 0 or 0 1 or 0 0, there will be no reading. Thank you.